For the base layer, choose 4 different shades of green papers. You can choose any size, but 1:1 ratio is easier to work with. Trace a pattern in the middle of the top base layer. Trace the top base layer pattern closer to the border. Remove other base papers from below. Place the traced paper on a cutting mat. Cut out the traced pattern with an X and a knife. Carefully take out the paper cutout. Place the next base layer paper below the cutout one. Trace a relatively smaller pattern on this one. Cut out the traced pattern like we did before. Take out the paper cutout and move to the next base layer. Trace a smaller pattern on every next base layer. Use X-Acto knife to cut out the traced patterns. Place the base layers together to check the final pattern. I'm using blue paper for the bottom base layer. Prepare 3 cm by 16 cm 3D strips from thick paper. Mark 1 cm gap along the middle of the strips. Use a knife of scissors to trace indentations along the middle. This will help to fold the strips neatly. Prepare 4 3D strips for each layer. Attach the 3D strips to the cutout base layers. Use craft glue on one side to attach the strips to the bases. Attach 4 strips on 4 sides of each base layer. The 3D strips will create a 3D effect. Similarly, add 3D strips to the 3 other base layers. Apply glue along the bottom ends of the strips of the 4th base layer. Attach it to the bottom, blue layer. Attach the next layer on top of the attached layer. 1 by 1, attach all 4 layers. Use the base paper cutouts to prepare the vines and leaves. I'm doing freehand drawing of the vines and leaves. Use a sharp pair of scissors to cut out the traced leafy vines. Use the nail of your thumb to add creases to the leaves. Prepare enough vines and leaves for each layer. We're making Totoro for the character on the background. The free template link is given in the description box below. Time to add the vines and leaves to the 3D base. Get creative and add them to the 3D base as you like. Are you enjoying the tutorial? Make sure to leave a feedback in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Finally, add Totoro to the background. Thank you so much for watching this far.